Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Can I pass GOT examination if I learn vocabulary and grammar of a particular level? In this question, I would say yes, it is very much possible, as you are aware that grammar and vocabulary are important components of any language. These are the backbone of any language. But you should not forget that in GOT examination, listening skills are equally important of any particular level. Whether it's B1, B2, C1 or C2, you cannot ignore that. Yes, it's absolutely right that if you have good vocabulary, you can easily pass writing skills and you can speak very well. But if you don't have command over the listening skills, means if you don't understand the track played in the examination hall, then you may fail and you have to repeat the exam and give the fees again and wastage of time and money. So that's why I always say equally alongside focus on listening skills, the track and the seed is given to you with the model test papers or the respective level books. Practice that, listen the audio again and again, which is very important if you want to pass the listening examination here on tile. Apart from that, yes, good vocabulary and grammar skills will help you in reading sections. You can easily read the text in the given time framework. You can speak well if you are habitual of speaking. It does not mean that only learning vocabulary and grammar will help you in speaking. You need to practice speaking every day with someone. If you don't practice with someone, you may have difficulty, you may have problem in that also. So you may have to practice of speaking skills. You may have to write something every day, small text, email, paragraph writing, blog writing or anything. That's why it is important that only learning part is not essential. You have to do practical. You have to utilize that. Okay. Unless and until you utilize, you practice that, the skills of a particular language cannot be mastered. If you want to master, if you want to pass the examination, so just attempt very smartly, learn vocabulary, learn grammar skills and focus on grammar, not learn, understand the grammar concepts given in the particular level. Although there is no grammar paper in any of the examination of GOT, they don't ask you grammar directly, but it will help you in understanding the text, in answering the emails or in speaking skills. So grammar is very essential, very important. So I have given you the answer of this important question asked to me by one of the students. I hope it will help you too. So that's all in this video. Take care. Bye bye.